Hey everybody, welcome to week 7 of online learning. Hope everybody had a great week last week. So for this week, you found the video right here with this week's directions. Great job. This week you will have to download this PDF, this is your assignment, into Notability. You cannot use Explain Everything. I feel like I've been very clear with this on the last few videos. You have to use Notability. If you're using Explain Everything, you're getting zeros on your assignment because it will not let me open them. Use Notability. No exceptions. I've sent some messages to people who need to resubmit. Then you're going to upload it and submit it right here. Okay? If you're having trouble with understanding what to do on the division, here's an example video. Okay? You will also be required to do 30 minutes on Math 180. I will be able to see how much time you spent on it. If you just log in and let your iPad sit there, I will know it. It will tell me exactly what you worked on. Also, Wednesday, 1 o'clock, just like usual, we have our class meeting. This is not optional. You have to attend this. This is where you'll get help on your math assignment. We're going to do some of your math assignment together right here, Wednesday at 1 o'clock. Again, this is not optional. This is a great place to get help. Otherwise, if you need more help than that, you can send me a FaceTime request. You can Google Hangout with me. You can send me an email. You can call me, or you can send me a Schoology message. 5 easy ways to get a hold of me. Please, please, please get a hold of me if you need help. All right, good luck this week. Have a great one.